Joker, he just do what he please. He went on shoot shot, he got toe jab football, he got monkey finger, he shoot.
Give them your money
He said,
now.
I know you. Thanks. You know me.
I would argue with him.
One thing I can tell you is you got to be free.
Now!
Come together right now over me now.